we had decided to challenge the Waqf Bill 2025, which has been passed in a wee hours of intervening hours of the 4th of this April 2025, and there are certain lacunas which government has overlooked and not gone into the proper bylaws and proper rules, and they had just made a eyewash and just under the garb of we are favoring the female and we are bringing secularism, this that, they had passed over several sections including 104, including 40, which are inherent rights. अभी बताओ, अरे मेरे पुरखों के सब बुजुर्ग हो गए, किस गांव में मरे, भाई जाहिर सी बात है उनकी यादगार है, सैयद बाबा हैं, उनकी दरगाहें बनेंगी या कब्रिस्तान बनेंगी, वो उठ करके रजिस्ट्रेशन कैसे कराएंगे? वो तो डीम्ड वक्फ ही कहलाता है ना. So that's why we had come to conclusion that the basically amendment is unconstitutional, and it has been deeply infested by the partition view of the government, and biasful, unmeaningful approach is also over there, and it's just lowering the respect and all the respect and all the integrity of the Waqf donors, and now you are just wanted to diminish and lower and weaken the image of the Waqf as well. But at the same time we wanted to request that the people should come to the other people who wanted to challenge the Waqf Bill 2025, they should come with a clean hand, otherwise there would be another counter that your personal or your family's role is not proper. That's why I am just hinting to the so-called Waqf savars who are from Hyderabad and others. Everybody knows they are directly, indirectly, you yourself or your ancestors are involved in selling the Waqf. That's why we are also keeping a vigil eye on such kind of menace who had committed in the Shah Wali of Dargah, Sayyid Shali Ali Baba Dargah, Vijayawada and Antilia and all these things. That's why All India Muslim Personal Board's approach is very clear. They wanted to challenge, but their own team is infested with the anti-Waqf mafias. It can be not said in the Supreme Court also. Everywhere we can say it. There are ample of the proofs are there. That's why they are handicapped by their own team, and that's why we had come forward and we wanted to very clearly, straightforward wanted to say that these are the waqf which our ancestor has made, and हमारे ancestors की ये ज़मीन है, कब्रगाहें हैं, यादगार गाहें हैं, दरगाहें हैं, इसको हम ही लोग बचा सकते हैं. और इसके अलावा कोई और जो लोग हैं जिनके कोई 10 जनरेशन के पहले कोई हिसाब किताब नहीं है, तो हमको नहीं लगता है कि वो प्रॉपरली रख सकते हैं इस बात को. और सीरियसली मैं कह रहा हूँ इस बात को, ये इट इज़ नॉट थ्रेटनिंग, इट इज़ हम्बल एडवाइस. Just clean your ancestry and come with a very clean hand. Otherwise, in the Waqf, everything will be questioned, and it will create another kind of feudal fight and all that. Instead of going to deeper all these things, we should challenge simply, and we should be very clean when we come before the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Thank you.